What if Apple released a flip phone in 2026? Not the tablet-style foldable like the Galaxy Fold, but a vertical flip phone, like the Galaxy Z Flip or Motorola Razr. Well, rumors suggest that might be exactly what Apple is planning. In this video, we'll break down everything we know so far: the design, the tech behind it, the release date, and the expected price. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about the display. Apple is reportedly working on a new Liquid Hinge system. This could eliminate the crease you usually see on foldable screens. You know how most foldables have that dip in the middle? Apple wants to fix that. This hinge would use a hydraulic-style mechanism to keep the screen smooth and flat, even after hundreds of folds. If this works, it could be a game-changer for flip phones. Now, what about the battery? Foldables are usually thin, which limits battery size. But Apple may use a new type of carbon-lithium battery. It's already being used in some Oppo phones. This tech allows for more power in a slimmer design. So, even though it's compact, battery life could match that of a regular iPhone 16 or 17. That's impressive, and it solves one of the biggest issues with flip phones. If you miss the iPhone mini, this might be for you. Remember the 12 mini and 13 mini? People loved how small and pocketable they were. This flip iPhone could bring that same compact feel back. When folded, it's easy to carry. And when opened, you get a full-size screen. Foldables today are already as thin as Pro Max models when closed, and Apple might make theirs even slimmer to its mini-sized portability, with big screen power. So, when is it coming? Right now, Apple is focused on a fold-style iPhone, which could launch in late 2026. But that doesn't mean the flip model isn't in development. Leaks are just quieter for now. Apple could release both at the same time. Or wait until 2027 to see how the foldable performs first. Either way, it's definitely in the pipeline. Let's talk price. Looking at similar phones like the Galaxy Z Flip and Motorola Razr, Apple's flip iPhone would likely start between $800 and $1,100. Realistically, we're expecting a launch price close to $1,000. That makes it more affordable than other foldables, especially for a premium Apple device. So here's the recap. A flip-style iPhone with a Liquid Hinge, next-gen battery tech, super compact design, and a release window between 2026 and 2027, all at around $1,000. It sounds like Apple's next big thing could actually be pretty small. If you enjoyed this update, hit like, subscribe for more Apple news, and don't forget to tap that notification bell. Catch you in the next one.